Hey guys, welcome back. 2021, a new year. Shaved off the hair for a good cause. My hair is going to be made into a wig for those who have had cancer. And now, with this bad boy, jump straight back into it. I'm going to leave the engine bay where it was. I've spent so much time on it. I'm happy where it is now. So pretty much, I'm going to throw the motor in, and then when I dummy it all up and run the piping and stuff, then I'll be able to cut it. Then we'll continue further on that. So I'm happy where it is now. Yeah, so that'll be left. And now we're going to start on getting the paint off the body. So this episode we're going to be sanding it all back, putting it in epoxy, and then we'll move on until the whole car's complete. I'm going to do it in stages only because it's a bit easier. If I do a whole car in one go, got a lot more, it takes a lot more time. I'd rather have things not in bare metal forever. So yeah, we're just going to do it in stages. So it'll be rear quarter, take off the doors, do the insides of the doors, the insides of the car, and then maybe continue onto the roof and then the other side. So that's what we're going to do. Fresh start, new content. You guys are probably sick of seeing the engine bay, so that's what we'll do. We'll do something different. So let's get into it. I'm cheering as well. Managed to find all this stuff: indicators, interior pieces, 2 dashes, a dash top for $100 on Gumtree. I am so happy. Anyone with a Vel will know that you can buy a dash for $250. So if you get all this stuff, roof lining, all that gear, you got all that stuff. So I'm cheering. I'm happy about that. Cannot complain. Alright guys, so before we start, I thought I might tell you, don't do what I'm doing because that's dangerous. That is very dangerous. I have figured out, you don't put it all the way in, but even when I come off it, I end up smacking it. Dummy gloves, still doesn't help. Don't do what I'm doing. That's the only way I can fit one of these on. So I'm just going to do it my way. Don't copy me. You'll end up with no fingertips. Do as I say, not as I do. Righto, so this is where we're up to pretty much after probably 10 minutes. It has got some paint on it. I don't know if that's a spray bog. It smells like a spray bog, like that bog smell, but I don't know if it's an old acrylic primer, because we've got the original edge, the original Yucca-Bean blue, and then this over the top. That white stuff's pretty much over the whole car, so it might be a primer. And it is thick. And then obviously it's been painted over again, the purple, and then clear, and then my black that it is. But that white stuff is some thick stuff, so I'm just going to do it in stages so I don't warp and heat up the metal. So I'm just going to get all the purple off, bring it back to the white primer, and then get off the blue. The blue is really hard. Old acrylic, you heat it up and it wants to melt instead of come off the panel. It's just, so you can see there, it sort of just melts and follows the direction of the sander. So if I'm going that way, it just throws melted paint that way. Obviously getting it too hot, so I'll calm it down there. But hey, we'll get there. If it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. I'm using just this thing to take off the purple. This one, not orbiting but spinning fast to just go over and take it all off. Yes, usually it works, but this thing's got about 50 layers of paint. On a newer car you'd be able to do that, and this cord would be done in 5 minutes. And then for the final sand, this one. Oh, 80 grit for now. don't have anything lower, so that's what we're doing. I'll put that there. Does that make sense? That's how much we're dealing with. There's a lot of paint there. It's a big bloody lip. Hang on, let us focus. There we go. That's how much we got on here, so it's not a quick job. Not going to be an easy job. I'll get there. Quick update of where we're at. Got a little repair here. I don't know why. I can feel a tiny dent, but not much. So it's just caked for no reason, I guess. Well, most of the purple off, just got there and there to go. And then we're gonna go down here. Don't mind me, I'll just hit it with a bit of thinners to see what will happen. Go down here and we'll get all this off. Probably finish just there, up, and epoxy all that. It'd be a lot easier if I had someone else here filming, and it'd make the video quality a lot better, to be honest. But don't have anyone here with me. I'm a loner. No, I'm just joking. So I can't film the whole thing. Don't have my tripod on me. I left that at my brother's house. So I'm just gonna keep going, fill you guys in step by step, and maybe on the bigger stuff, like when it comes to the actual paint job, we'll do a full video and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you updates every now and then. So we'll just keep doing that. And it starts raining. That's how far we got. That is some tough shit. I have no idea what that is, but that is, wow. That's hard to get off. That's like concrete. But got around the light, partially bit under here. Just want to see if there's any rust there. There's not. So yeah. Alright guys, so the rear quarter's done. I've put that in like a rattle can primer only because when I was sitting in the back it was real humid. And it still is pretty humid. I'm gonna just leave it in that for now, and then on a really warm, sort of less humid day, I'll just wipe that off, because all it is 1K rattle can, and then we'll epoxy that. For now, I'm going to do all the inside here, see how far I can go today. And yes, I will be taking the quarter glasses out. It's just right now, couldn't be bothered. I'll do that when I do the roof. So, quarter's done, move on to this bit. And yeah, just keep going bit by bit on the car, see where we get up to. I mean, I might go from here, do a bit on the engine bay, if I want to. Just play it by ear sort of thing. Bit of a mess, this fancy thing sitting here. But yeah. Righto, so I got the inside pretty much the same as this. Just got to unscrew the latch so I can get in and around there, and then continue on when we got daylight around to the bottom. Continue up here and continue on till we reach the front of the car. Well, that's it for another video, guys. Thanks for watching. As Ollie said in the other video, like, share, subscribe, means a lot. We do it for free. We love it, but it would help. So